If you want to sound like an executive, you need to stop using simple words like this. I'm Eric, let's upgrade your English. At work, people just don't listen to what you say, they judge how you say it. Executives don't use complicated English. They use clear, precise, controlled language. And that comes down to one thing: word choice. Let's replace the words that are holding you back. Simple English, I think. Executive English, I believe, or in my view. This sounds more confident, less uncertain. Simple English, I want. Executive English, I'd like to, or my objective is to. This is more controlled, more professional. Simple English, we need to fix this. Executive English, we need to address this, or we need to resolve this. This is solution-focused language. Simple English, let's talk about this. Executive English, let's discuss this. This is cleaner, more direct. And this next one, this is a big one in meetings. Simple English, I don't understand. Executive English, could you clarify that? This keeps the conversation professional. Simple English, this is a problem. Executive English, this is a concern. This is softer, more strategic. Simple English, I'll try. Executive English, I'll take care of it, or I'll handle it. This shows ownership. Simple English, we're doing this now. Executive English, we're currently working on this. This is more structured. Simple English, so. Executive English, therefore. This is more organized thinking. Simple English, we should change this. Executive English, I recommend we adjust our approach. This is executive level language. Here's the truth. Executives don't sound different because they know more English. They sound different because they choose better words. You don't need more English, you need executive English. If you want to sound more confident at work, watch the next video. I'm Eric. Keep improving. I'll see you in the next one.